Today, I want to talk to you about something that has made my filming process so much easier, and that's my teleprompter. I don't use it because I want to be perfect or polished. I use it because it keeps me focused and it keeps me calm. And honestly, it just makes filming a whole lot less stressful. Let me tell you the 3 main reasons I use a teleprompter, and then I'll show you exactly how I load my scripts and use it in real time. Reason number 1, it keeps me on track. I'm a talker, and I start out explaining something very simple, and the next thing I know, I'm talking about something that happened in 1989, like that one time at band camp that has nothing to do with the video. A teleprompter helps me stick to the point, so you get exactly what you came to my video for. It also keeps my video shorter, a little tighter, and clearer, and probably a little easier to watch. I really wish I could just talk off the cuff, but I can't. Not yet. Reason number 2 is I need reading glasses to see my notes. And I don't want to take them off and on while I'm filming. And if my notes are down below me on a computer screen or on my notebook, I can't see them without glasses. I have to keep taking them off and on. But with a teleprompter, the words are right here in front of me, so I can see everything clearly without having to break eye contact or even shuffling with my glasses. Reason number 3, it's a security blanket of sorts for me. Knowing that my words are right here in front of me gives me a little more confidence, and it lets me relax. I don't worry about forgetting what I want to say, and that makes me show up a little more calm and more myself. My delivery is smoother, my thoughts are clearer, and I can focus on connecting with you instead of trying to remember lines. Those are my main reasons, but there are a few more that might fit your needs too. A teleprompter helps keep a consistent pace. It prevents those long pauses and filler words that can make your editing a whole lot harder. It keeps your eyes lifted toward the lens instead of looking down at your notes and back up. It helps beginners feel a little more confident on camera, and it saves time because you don't have to do as many retakes. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I use mine. I have it sitting on a small rig tripod. This is a desktop tripod. You can get a full extending one, but I like just being able to sit it on my desk a little bit closer. I have the camera sitting on top. It's on the base plate that came with the teleprompter. There's also adapter plates that can fit here on the back that your camera can slide into, but my camera did not fit, so I just set it on the base, and it screws in so that you don't have to worry about your camera wobbling. Now, you will only see a couple of cords here, and that's because I have my dummy battery from my camera. I have my monitor coming up to the camera so that I can see myself, and the cord to my DJI wireless mic. Then we just have this one cord that goes to my MacBook. And this is an Elgato teleprompter. I got it from Amazon, and I'll link it in the description below. All I have to do from here is plug it into the computer because it gets its power from the computer, so I don't have to plug it into the wall. So there's only one cord. Then I'm ready to add my script. And I'm going to screen share here so I can show you how I do that. So the first thing I do is go to my Elgato camera hub down here in the bottom, full screen. Okay, and then I want to add a script. And we're going to call this test script. Then I'm going to go to my Google Docs. Let's just do this one, why I use a teleprompter. I've already got it line spaced and everything. I'm just going to do a little bit here to show you. Back to my teleprompter hub, and I'm just going to paste it in. Okay, so here's what it looks like with my script loaded. I can change the margins where they're wider and there's more words on the screen. I like them a little bit smaller so they stay toward the middle. I can also change the font size for people like me that need reading glasses. And we're going to start it scrolling here, and that's what it looks like. And I can also change the scroll speed so it will go faster or slower. And it's pretty simple. And they make teleprompter apps for your phone. I use the video teleprompter app that I downloaded from the Apple App Store. I didn't start using a teleprompter to be fancy. I started to use it because I needed help staying focused and feeling confident. I was just getting burnt out because I couldn't think of what I wanted to say. So if you've ever felt nervous, or maybe you lost your place, or even ramble a little bit like I do, maybe a teleprompter is the thing that will make filming finally feel a little manageable. It's a great tool that helps you feel more confident and more consistent. And I'm all for anything that makes this process a little bit easier. And if you want to learn more about my scripting process, just watch this video next, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.